Hello, welcome to GreatTube. Today I will show you how to create your own electronic signature. So let's get started. To do that, first of all, we have to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, you can use Pro version or free version. Okay, so after you opened your PDF document, you have to open the fill and sign feature. This one, okay? This one is fill and sign feature. So click on that. Okay? Then after, click on fill and sign. Okay? So after that, we have to click on shine feature here. Okay? I have to erase this one. Okay? Then you have to add, click on add signature. Okay, then we have to write our name. Okay, for instance, my name is Mikhail. Okay, Mikhail. All right, then you can change the style. Okay, so let me make it this one. Okay, you can change to the style what you want. Okay, then after click on apply. All right, so you can drag and drop where you want to put. Okay, let me put it. Okay, then we have to add our electronic signature. So we have to again come here, sign, and add initials. Okay, yeah. So click on draw feature, this one. Okay, then we have to draw our signature. Okay, so this is my signature. Then after, click on apply. All right, so we have to put what in front of our name. Okay, all right, we can resize. Okay, it depends on our needs. Okay, we can resize, can reduce or minimize. Okay, it depends on our needs. All right, so we can drag and drop. Okay, if we want to write the date, we can again click on add text. This one, okay, this feature. Okay, click on that and can write here. Okay, 2023. Okay, okay, okay. So in this way, you can put your own electronic signature into any document. Okay. So today's video is all about this. Thank you very much.